So, nung last product knowledge seminar namin, isa sa mga project na pinuntahan namin ay itong Montera Verde na new project of Borland, which is located in Barangay Biga, San Mayor, Tanza, Cavite. Actually, this is the second phase na of Montera Verde kasi meron na tayong Montera Verde 1, pero may community na yun at most sold out na ang mga bahay doon. Now, for this time, hindi pa natin makikita ang model house kasi ginagawa pa. So, hindi ako allowed na pumasok sa model house. So, ang nakikita nyo ngayon, that's the model house. So, the type of house na meron tayo dito is clustered townhouse with typical lot area of 48 square meters and floor area na 55 square meters with provision for 2 bedrooms. Tapos, meron na itong 2 toilet and bath. Basic lang yung turnover niya. It means na wala siyang tiles, wala pang wall partitions, wala pang paint ang loob. Exterior part ng house is painted na. And then, may provision na rin po tayo for car garage kasi lahat ng mga housing project dito sa Tanza, nire-require na yata na kailangan may garahe ang mga bahay. So right now, is in a pre-selling pa lang siya, no? Wala pa kayo nakikitang bahay dyan. Only the model houses na ginagawa pa din. At ang kagandahan dito is mababa pang price niya, which is 2.2 M lang. And can be availed through Pag-ibig financing and also in-house financing. Ang in-house financing natin dito, guys, ay hindi ganun kalaki ang interest. Now, if you're planning to get a house and lot, this is the best time, no? Kasi nasa pre-selling pa at mababa pa ang price niya, nasa 2.2 million pa lang. In the long run, once magkaroon ng improvement sa area, like matapos ito ang model house, there's a chance na magtaas pa ng presyo. So, the income requirements for Pag-ibig financing, usually nasa 35,000 lang siya for 30 years to pay. So, while mababa pa, i-grab nyo ng opportunity to get one. For more details, you can PM me directly sa naka-flash dyan sa screen sa aking blue account. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!